probably one of the most famous and desirable bait casters of all time. This is the Shimano Bantam 100, and this one's beautiful. I picked this one up at a local flea market. It's got one area of damage, right? There's a little chrome missing on this crossbar, but the rest of this, yeah, it's got some scratches, but don't we all when we're 50 years old or older? This thing runs so nice. I just couldn't believe it when I saw this, and kind of got it for a really good price, cleaned it up, and I believe it's on, this may be the original Lew's rod that's on it as well. This is it's a Bass Pro rod, but it's the original Lew's, what's it called? Speed Grip. Lew's Speed Grip. Very nice.